having a good day, isn't it, bro? We are up in the sky. Island. JBD Travel. Journey Beyond Dreams. We are down here in Wexford, Enniscorthy. It's a food festival and it's going on throughout the weekend. If you come here, you're gonna have a lot to eat. I mean, a lot in the street for free. What do you have here?
We got curry, stir fry, nuggets, croutons.
I'll be coming back.
No problem.
That looks good, buddy.
Chicken has a hole up in the air.
Yeah, bro. Bless it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. The whole of Enniscorthy.
Just let me hear some of the music. Carry away the Jesus. It's got a backbeat, you can lose it. Carry your time to use it. Well, it's gotta be rock and roll music. If you want to dance with me, it's an old attack. The way you listen to you got the high. Rave on, it's a crazy feeling. I know it's got to be down south they had a jamboree. The coast to coast they had a jubilee. They're drinking over while the water pump. It's a dance that they got all to do. I started playing out rock and roll music. Any old way you choose it. I got a backbeat, you can't lose it. Any old time to use it. Well, it's gotta be crazy feeling, I know it's got to be, and I'm so glad. I'm a second they had a rockin' band, and they were running like a hurricane. I started playing that rock and roll music, any old way you choose it. It's got a backbeat, you can't lose it, any old time you use it. Well, it's gotta be rock and roll music, give me what it is to me. Well, hey, little things that you say you do, make me want to be with you. Brave on, it's a crazy feeling. I know it's got me reeling when you say I love you, brave all of me. Gotta be rock and roll music, give me what it is to me. If you wanna dance with me, dance if you wanna dance with me.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Stage again in a bit.
Rave on and tell me, not to be lonely, tell me, you love me only, brave on me. Rave on and tell me, not to be lonely, tell me, you love me only, brave on me.
Hey everybody, we are down here in Enniscorthy County, Wexford. This is JBD Travel. Journey Beyond Dreams. It's food festival ongoing. This is called Enniscorthy Food Festival. You have to come here, and over this weekend it's gonna be food all over on the street. Eat as much as you want.
You want to ship?
JBD Travels. Do you want a visa to travel, join a family, entertain, work, or study abroad? Have you always been discouraged by long paperwork, travel procedure, and bureaucracies? JBD Travels is your one-stop shop for holidays, visa, and work permits. With JBD Travels, visa and immigration service are made easy, fast, and convenient. We also advise and suggest to you new destinations that are popping. We customize holiday packages for UK, Schengen, Europe, Canada, USA, Australia, Asia, Africa, and UAE. We are recruiting workers for Europe. The cash is good. Are you interested? Register now for scholarships and study abroad. Get on board worldwide events and festivals. With JBD Travels, just sit in comfort. Let us grab your travel documents and visas with ease. We are certified travel consultant with A+ achievements. WhatsApp or call us on +44 759 533 6042 or +233 59 88 99 846. For live chat or free consultation, log on to www.jbdtravel.com. JBD, Journey Beyond Dreams.